throw away that calculator. You do not need it, and I promise you. Look at this question. Calculate the pH of solution with 10 raised to the minus 7 molar concentration of what? OH minus. Now the question is this. You've been asked to calculate pH, but what they gave you is a trap. It's OH that they gave you. But that means you have to, the first thing you have to understand that there's a relationship between H plus multiplied by OH minus, which everything equals to what? 10 raised by what? Minus 14. Then if you don't know this, you're going to miss this question. And I promise you, you do not need a calculator. And I'm going to show you exactly why you do not need it. So now, if you have given this, that means what they gave you, because I know to base 10 H plus, not OH. So I need to find the equivalent. So from here, I can say H plus multiplied by OH, which was given to 10 raised by minus 14. Now, I'm going to do one of the things you have to know, which is what? Indices. Look at it. So H plus can stay here. Then once I divide both sides by this, I have 10 raised by minus 14. Do you understand? Divided by 10 raised by minus 7. You know, to remove multiplication, anything that is bounded by multiplication, to remove it, you use what they call division. Anything that is bounded by multiplication, you need division to remove. That's how I'm removing it. Anything that is bounded by addition, you remove it with subtraction. That is the concept. So now this, I've divided both sides by this because I need this to stand alone. So this will cancel this, then this will remain. Then this becomes H plus, which is equal to what? Now, there is a law of indices, right? Once you have something like this, 10 raised by minus 14 divided by minus 7, just like when you have something like 10 raised by A over 10 raised by B, automatically this becomes 10 raised by A minus B. Abi, that's the law. But if you have 10A multiplied by 10B, now because, do you know why this is happening? Because their base is the same. Look at this is 10, then this becomes 10, just single one of them, then you add this together, A plus B. That's one of the rules that we're going to be using here. So now, how does that work? You will see that this 10 is common, minus 14. Now, if I want to put minus, don't forget that there's a minus here, so don't miss that minus. Then you put minus into bracket. Abi now, no magic. That's what I just did. A is this, then B is this. So I just put that. Now, as a law of indices, you know that if you have minus times minus becomes plus, minus 14 plus 7. Then I owe 14 naira, I have 7 naira. If I pay the 7 naira, I will still be owing 7 naira. So that's why the H plus is automatically what? 10 raised by what? Minus 7. Now, that is not all, because we are just done with what we need in this formula. Okay? So now let's go. If that's what we need in that formula, well, that means I've gotten H plus. I hope you understand. If you understand, say I understand in the comment section. Okay, we've started our JAMB classes powerfully, and if you want to join, okay, you can see my number here. It's either you send me a message on WhatsApp, or you send me a message on TikTok, or if you are watching this on YouTube, you can see my number, my email, or what have you. You can send a direct message to me, and I'm going to reply. And if you are new here, I'm going to be teaching you in the next video how to understand logarithm table without calculator. At least the logarithm I use to solve these things without calculator. You see the magic I'm going to do here. Okay, listen. Now, so the log that I need, right, which is this formula, so I'll just come here and say, oh, the pH now becomes minus log to base 10. H plus, I've gotten it to be what? 10 raised by what? Minus 7. Right? So how do I go from here? Don't forget that this 10 raised by minus 7 is like 1 times 10 raised by minus 7. Okay? Don't forget that. Of course, you know that 1 times this will still give this. So I can write it as 1 times 10 raised by what? Minus 7. Because there's a cheat code. Now, the moment you get to this place, you are done. What did I tell you? The moment you get to this stage, you are done. You don't even need anything. You don't what? You don't need anything. So now, the rule is just pick what is here. 7 minus log what is here? 1. That's the answer. Now, the problem you will have is that JAMB do not have calculator for logarithm. So how do I know that log 1 is what? No, now note that log 1 is 0. So 0. Now you don't know why. I'm going to teach you how to know from log 1 to log 10 offhand. Okay? Offhand, you know it offhand. You don't need. You remember what I said? What did I say? Offhand. You remember things like offhand. Okay? That's another JAMB thing you have to know. So now log this is this, then the answer is what? 7. Just swipe left, you see my account and follow me if you want to know how to know log 1, log 2, log 3, log 4, log 5 without calculator. And I promise you, it's one of the best things that you want to happen to you. Abi, I should like to change this video, but let me give you another question in this video so that you know how to do it. So now let's say this might look like a fluke, Abi. So let me change this question and say, okay, imagine I have let's say I just have pH. Maybe I change the pH of that thing to be minus log to base 10. Let's say 3 times 10 raised to the power minus 8. Okay, what did I tell you? The rule is simple. Just don't solve anything. Don't just leave them. Once you have something like this, you can stay from there. pH equals to minus log 10, right? 3 times 10 raised to the power minus 8. Once you have something like this, do not waste your time. No problem. Just do this. Carry what is here. 8, Abi. Is it not 8? 8 minus log. What is here, Abi? 3. In fact, if you want to test me, if you want to know if I'm correct, do you know what you should do for me? Don't even, before I give you the code now, just press 8 minus log 3 in your calculator right now. Go and do it. Once you press it, I know you are reading. I mean, JAMB is closed now. Why should you not be reading by now? So just press it and you will see that the answer of 8 minus log 3 is the same thing. Don't forget it's base 10. No, it's the same thing as minus log 10, 3 times 10 raised to the power minus 8. You can try me. So once you've done that, you are home and dry. So now the principle is this. Now the problem is, what is log 3? Me, I already know now because I know this thing. I know the secret that log 3 is 0.5. You can cross check yourself. Okay, log 3 is 0.5, right? Log 2 is 0.3. Okay, don't let me give you everything. Don't worry. In my next video, that's why you have to follow. Yeah, follow me now. Follow me so that you don't miss it. You will not see this one anywhere. No, it's not mouse. So this is 0.5, right? Then the answer to this is 7.5. So that is the pH. And you know automatically if I know the pH, I can know the what? The pOH. Because I know that pH plus pOH is equals to what? 14. I know this one. So since I know the pH, I can just put it here. 7.5 plus pOH equals to what? 14. So from here, I can just say, oh, pOH equals to what? 14 minus 7.5. And pOH will automatically be what? 6.5. You see that it's not hard now. Is it hard? It's not hard. It's because you've not seen someone that will teach you very well. So of course, if you want to register for our JAMB class, just like I said, you can just send me a message right there on my WhatsApp, or you send me a message on TikTok, and I'm going to catch you in my next video. I hope you understand. Swipe left now and follow me. By the time I'll be teaching you how to get logarithm offhand, so that you understand it very well and you don't have to cram. You don't need calculator. It's not fluke. I've done it over and over again. You can check our student results. Bye bye.